The United Nations General Assembly is the forum where a representative of each of the 193 member countries come together for 4 months each year in New York to try and resolve some of the most pressing issues currently facing our global community. The debates demonstrate the hugely diverse and often conflicting views and aspirations of the member governments. The Rotary Moona Weekend recreates the United Nations General Assembly. Moona is a worldwide initiative of Rotary to give young people a feel for both the workings of the United Nations General Assembly and to get an insight into diplomacy and international politics. It is also an opportunity to meet students from many other schools, to work together and have a lot of fun. Hi, I'm Sharon Marshall, a Rotarian from District 9820, which covers Melbourne South East, the Mornington Peninsula and much of Gippsland. We are extending an invitation to all senior secondary school students and their teachers in our district to enter teams of 2 students into our next Moona Weekend. In advance of the weekend, your team will be given a country to represent and the resolutions on current international issues that you will be debating. Before the weekend, you will need to research the beliefs, views and aspirations of your country on each of the resolutions. At the Moona Weekend, you will be representing and arguing on behalf of your country. Team members do not express their personal views. The debates do not just take place in the main forum. At the UN, countries increase their influence by forming voting blocs. You will have the opportunity to influence a collective vote of your bloc in side room meetings. You will sharpen your negotiating skills as you try and find a consensus around your country's point of view. The weekend also reminds us all to respect cultural, race and religious diversity and to celebrate the best of national customs and traditions. We encourage all students to come to the Moona dressed in their national costume of the country they are representing. But why Rotary in the United Nations?
U.S. President Harry S. Truman and other leaders from around the world founded the United Nations in 1945. Nearly 50 Rotarians served as delegates, advisors, and consultants at the historic UN Charter Conference in San Francisco, California. Rotary contributed not only to the founding of the UN, but also to its early work and to the creation of several of its specialized agencies.
In recognition of our continuing leadership, Rotary still maintains the highest consultative status with the United Nations of any non-government organisation. If you take up this invitation to come to Moona, you will leave the weekend with a much deeper insight into global issues, better debating and public speaking skills, and often strong friendships. At the end of the weekend, each team's performance is assessed and we give you feedback. The team judged to be the most effective at representing their country throughout the weekend is invited to participate in the Australian National Moona in Canberra. Moona is a powerful extracurricular activity that needs minimal school involvement. It pulls together so much of the VCE curriculum: history, geography, social science, English and drama. And because a Rotary club from the district sponsors each team, there is no financial cost to the school or students. For your sponsoring Rotary club, it is an opportunity for them to engage with young people, to involve you in a local Rotary activity, and to demonstrate the importance of social responsibility. It also helps each club meet its obligations of service and contribution to the development of young people. So again, we offer you an invitation to come and get involved in Moona. You will find it both challenging and fun. If you would like more information on how to get involved with Moona, please get in touch with us through our Rotary 9820 Moona website.
www.moona 9820.org.au.
Go on the website.
Yeah, you find everything.
Everything.